Yes, today about the listening to the Dhamma lecture. Okay. Yes, in the topic today, no. Today we continue with the series of the blessing of life. Yes, remember that last Saturday we talked about the blessing number 25, being grateful, right? Katanju. Today we are going to talk about the blessing 26, listening to the Dhamma lectures. Yep. Okay. Follow me, everyone. Yes, the wisdom that I will share with you today come from Mantra Sutta. Yeah, Tukka Nikaya, the minor correction discourses of the Buddha in the Thai Pitaka Buddhist scripture. Yes, Mongkola Sutta. Yeah. Mhm. It can be called the 38 blessing of life. The Buddha talked about 38 steps for living a good life. Yeah. Okay. In the blessing number 26 today, in the seventh group of life, the dead blessing. Yeah. This wisdom is practical and timeless. Remember that? The 38 wisdom that are easy to apply to daily life. Every step is very interesting teaching by the Buddha. That for those who can follow this wisdom will ensure success and happiness in every level. Yes, the seventh group of life, the real blessing, help us to be mentally prepared so that we can develop our virtue further and in such a way that our defilements can be consciously weakened. Blessing number 22, 23, 4, 5, 26. Yeah. Is the now the 70 group of life is the blessing which deal with the cultivate basic virtue. Right? Okay, first of all, the blessing 26, listening to the Dhamma lecture. What does it mean? Mhm. Okay, follow me, everyone. For make sure everyone follow me. Yes. Okay. And the first of all, what is listening? What is listening? Okay. Follow me. Why? Why should we listen to Dhamma lecture? Mhm. Why must we listen to Dhamma lectures? Okay, first of all, what is listening? Definition. The keywords. Yeah, the keywords. Listening is one of the basic skills important to the human life and education. Listening is the understanding, analyzing, interpreting, and evaluation processes of the sounds, which is totally different from just hearing. You know, everyone, guy? Every person can hear if he or she does not have a hearing problem. But listening is a process that requires a certain effort. Listening is not a skill developed randomly. Rather, it has to be learned and improved. Yeah, follow me. Okay, it like a virtuous miller to help elevate our mind and our intellect. Yeah, yeah. We need to make time to listen to Dhamma lecture from virtuous individuals in order to elevate our mind and our intellect. Yeah, the Dhamma lecture we listen to can help us see if we have already possessed the virtue mentioned in the lecture. and in not how to go about cultivating the particular virtue. Yeah, for example, when we listen the Dhamma lecture about gratitude, we can evaluate whether or not we possess this virtue, and if so, that what level. We can also evaluate if we need to improve upon this virtue and how to go about doing it. Okay, follow me. Yes, everyone, guys. Yep. When should we listen to Dhamma lecture? When? Yes, everyone know? Huh? Buddhism? Huh? You are the Buddhist, right? When should we listen to the Dhamma lecture? Yes, normally in the Buddhism is everyone, lay people, it monk, novice, uh, woman lay people, man lay people, ubasok, ubasika. Yes, should listen to the Dhamma every day, right? Okay. Yes, and another one, follow me. Yes, in the Buddhist holy day, we choose listen to the Dhamma lecture on the Buddhist holy day. Yeah, one pra, yeah. All monk days, which take place one a week. Yeah, yes. Maybe on the full moon, yes, 1 month, 2 full moon, yes, and a half full moon, 3 times a month. Yes, the reason is that by the time a week has passed, we will need to refresher in order to stay on course. Yeah. The second one, whenever our mind is dominated by anxieties and unwholesomeness, yeah, we should listen to the Dhamma lecture. Whenever our mind is dominated by anxieties and unwholesomeness, our mind can become gloomy for 3 main reasons. Remember that? I know everyone know that. Yes, Lopa, yes, Dosa and Moha, right? 3 poisons, yeah, of defilement. It greed, hatred, and delusion. Remember that? Yes, for sure. I know. You know? I know. Yes. Okay, follow me. Yep. The greed, desire. Yeah. When we are dominated by thought of revenge. Okay, uncontrolled longing for increase in the acquisition or use of the material gain, or something about example food, money, house, land. Yeah, it's uncontrolled longing for the increase something. Yes, material gain. The second one is the hatred. Yeah, when we are dominated by thought of violence, yes, hatred or anger. Yeah? Anger. Hatred or anger is the dosa, right? We are also likely to be angry with anyone who gets between us and something we want. Therefore, as soon as we find ourselves being dominated by any of those thoughts, we must protect ourselves and others by listening to the Dhamma lecture. Yeah. And the third one, delusion. Delusion, right? Remember that when we are dominated by thought of sexual pleasures in terms of sex. Now, physical form, yes, remember that. You feel good, feel comfortable, feel physical form, taste, right? Smell, the smell to the perform that you like, the sound, the love song, right? Something, touch and longing for these things. Yeah. Okay, and next whenever a Dhamma lecture is being given by an expert of the Dhamma, yeah, we should listen to a Dhamma lecture. Now, whenever a Dhamma lecture is being given by an individual who is an expert teacher for the Dhamma, right? Mhm. Yes, you know, the Buddha, right? หลวงปู่สด something like that, the great master. Listening is important to the personal and the social life for an individual and also has a significant place in the education life. According to the student, to the study conducted with university student, they spent 60%, 16% of their time speaking. Yes, speaking, right? And 17% reading, reading a book, read, right? Yeah, 17%. And 14% for writing. Then, did you know? And 53% listening. Yeah. Yes. At this point, it has been revealed that university students spend nearly half of their times in listening activity during their study, their studies at school, at the university, right? Okay, for sure everyone understood and follow me. Okay, now we should have involved between listener and lecturer. Yeah, listening and speaking processes are two basic elements of communication. Yeah, for the communication. Okay, the character of the good listener. The good listener. Yep, follow me. The first one. Yeah, choose not deem the Dhamma topic. Yes, a good listener must not deem the Dhamma topic being thought as being beneath them. Yeah. The reason is that every single Dhamma topic, if practiced to the ultimate level, has the potential of the leading to the practitioner to rid himself of all defilement and attain Nibbana. Yeah. The second one, yes, should not underestimate the lecture knowledge and ability. Okay, for example, we must not underestimate a young monk. The Buddha teach us not to underestimate the following people and things. Yeah, interesting. Yeah, I think you know something. I have the four of the never underestimate. Yes, the first one. Never underestimate a small fire. Yeah, because even a small fire can end up burning down the entire city. Yes, the one stick of the fire machine, right? Yes, can burning whole the city, right? And the second one, never underestimate a small venomous snake. Yes, the งูพิษ because it bite had enough, yes, potency to cause death, right? It's small snake, yeah, venomous can bite you and you dead, yeah, right? You agree with me? Yeah. Okay, the third one is never underestimate a kind of being young. Yeah, kind of being young, because Alexander the Great Alexander was able to rule nearly half of the world when he was 20. years old. Yeah, very young, right? And Alexander the Great, yes, he was in the 20s. Yes, and never underestimate the young monk. The young monk is the novice. Yeah, because a novice as young as a 7-year-old has been known to have already attended arahantship. Mhm. Yes, in the Thai Pitaka Buddhist scripture, so many novice 7-year-old enlightenment. Okay, and the third one should not underestimate his own ability. Yeah, a good listener must not underestimate his own ability to learn the Dhamma. Yes, some people think themselves not intelligent enough to understand the Dhamma. Therefore, they do not attend any Dhamma lecture. Yes, during the Buddha time, there were many examples of Jew witted monk who attained arahantship after have heard just one Dhamma lecture from the Buddha. Yes, at times we may not understand a particular Dhamma topic well, but with repeated listening, we can gain a better understanding of it. Yeah. The first one, a good listener must pay full attention to the Dhamma lecture. Yeah. Why it is being given. During the Buddha time, whatever the Buddha gave a Dhamma lecture on the complex topic, he would close his eye in meditation. The listener would follow his example and close their eyes in meditation as they listening to his word. As a result, a host of those attentive listeners were able to attain the different stages of enlightenment. Okay, the last one choose exercise analytical reflection. A good listener must exercise analytical reflection as he listens to the Dhamma lecture so that he can quickly grasp the significance of what he has heard. Okay, yes, that's it for today. Yeah, listening to the Dhamma lecture for today. ฟังธรรมตามการ Thank you very much for listening. The topic today, Blessing of Life 26.